Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Best Overall Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Best Overall Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Mealy Complete C3 Vacuum for Soft Carpet. Best Vacuum Cleaner for Pet Hair. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lift-Off Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner.
Let's help you make your mark.
While the norm is to expect that a higher-priced vac can deliver a superior cleaning job and be extremely versatile and multi-purposeful, the truth is not all vacuums are worth their price tag. Some vacuums are super high-priced and have fewer applications than many budget vacuums on the market.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Both Shark and Dyson vacuum cleaners provide great cleaning and easy usability. Dyson vacuums tend to be more expensive, heavier, and have more suction. Shark vacuums are typically more budget-friendly, but generally don't have as much suction power.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.